Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at how you can fix this tweet might include sensitive content on Twitter. So first you need to open up the Twitter app and then click on your profile on the top left and then click on the settings and support option and then go to settings and privacy. Here you need to tap on privacy and safety and then click on your tweets. And this is where you will find the option to mark your tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. So the users will be able to see your tweet after clicking on your picture or video. So by enabling this option, you will be marking your tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. So this is how you can fix your tweet include sensitive content. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.